In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this vibrant liquid wave text animation within Cavalry, and you only need 4 layers to create this effect. So these are the steps I am going to show you. Let's get into it. I am inside of Cavalry. I've got my composition open already, and in my composition I already have a background shape sitting here. First thing I'm going to do is grab my text tool and just click to type, and I'm going to type in liquid text. And I'm just going to click align to center it, and I'm going to change the color only because it's just going to make it easier for me to see. That's not going to matter in just a little bit. Right, so with my text shape selected, I am going to click this create a duplicator, and on this duplicator I'm going to start altering some of these values. So I'm going to keep it on grid, but on the X, on the count, I'm going to change this to 1, and on the Y, I'm going to change it to 6. And on the size, I'm going to leave the width at 200, but I'm going to bring the height down to 107. And I'll just drag this up here so we can see what's happening. Now I am going to create the colors, because you can't even see what's happening here. On the text shape, right here, I'm going to go to fill, and I'm going to right click and go to add array, color array. And on the color array, I'm just going to add some colors here. So the first one, I'm going to leave it on a kind of blue color. About there will do. And I'm going to add a second color, and this one is going to be kind of like a lime green right there. And last one is going to be probably a lighter green again. That will do. And I also want to add a stroke to my text. So coming back to my text shape, I'm just going to jump onto the stroke, select this, I'm just going to bring this down to 2.5. Right, so I'm going to create that wave effect now. On my duplicator, I'm going to come over to deformers, press this plus sign, and come up to wave. And on this wave, I am going to adjust some of the values. I'm going to bring the strength down to 18, drag the number of waves down to about there. I'm going to check adaptive wave counts, and I'll bring the amplitude up to 64. So I'm quite happy with that, but if I press play, there is no animation. So to fix this, I'm just going to add a keyframe on the travel. So I'll just add a little keyframe by clicking this, and then I'm going to drag this out to about here, and I'm going to drag the travel up to 94. So if I press play, you can see that it plays and then stops. So to fix this, I'm just going to select my 2 keyframes, right click, go to loop after, and click looping. And now that will play through forever. That is all for this video. I will see you on the next one. Bye!